we have to be within the ambits of the bill that is being discussed, the amendment that is being discussed. Here we are discussing the Indian banking sector and the amendment therein. So of course, the Agarwala case is one of the foundations on which reforms of the banking sector are based. It is recorded, it is noted. It is a foundation on which the reforms of banking sector are based. And by the way, I would like to remind Sir, Honorable Member, Indira Gandhi did not pick up the phone. Mr. Malhotra picked up the phone. He was the manager. Indira Gandhi, assumingly, Indira Gandhi ji was a caller. So you have got the whole thing wrong.
माननीय मंत्री जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
राजा जी,
one second, please be seated. Please
First
be
of all-
seated. I'll give you a chance.
first of all,
Please be seated.
sir, while sitting here,
Please
I
sit.
heard
Sir, Speaker, sir.
some of the members from opposition bench said, Chairman, hi. You raised slogans against the chair. I take serious objection to that. चेयर के खिलाफ आप इस तरह से टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकते हैं. You can raise rules. अरे एक मिनट सुन लीजिए. आप रूल के तहत बात रख सकते हैं, लेकिन चेयर के खिलाफ हाय नाराज आपने जो नारा लगाया, नाराज हो सकते हैं, आप नारा नहीं लगा सकते चेयर के खिलाफ. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, ये कोई तरीका है? ये कोई तरीका है? ये बात करने का तरीका है? ये कोई बात करने का तरीका है? आपका नेता, आपका ये यहाँ कांग्रेस पार्टी का लीडर भी है, डिप्टी लीडर भी है. अगर ऐसा ही कोई भी उठ करके खड़ा करेगा, ऐसे मर्जी से बोलेगा, सदन ऐसे नहीं चलता है. आपको ऑथराइज किया है तो आप उठिए, मगर यह व्यवस्था का बात उठाया. राजा ने रूल को कोट करते हुए कहा, मैं इसीलिए बता रहा हूं, सबसे पहले चेयर के खिलाफ जो नारा लगाया, चेयरमैन हाय, ये बहुत गलत है और इसको जरूरत पड़े तो माफी मांगना चाहिए. दूसरा, निशिकांत दुबे ने जो बात, हमारे संबित पात्रा ने जो बात रखा है, उन्होंने एक एग्जिस्टिंग केस को बताया है. कहानी उन्होंने मनगढ़ंत कहानी नहीं बनाया, एक एग्जिस्टिंग केस को उसने रेफर किया है. वो केस उन्होंने कोई यहाँ डिस्कवरी नहीं किया है, इसलिए वो केस रिकॉर्ड में है. वो हम डिस्कवरी करके नया केस तो निकला नहीं है. इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसके लिए आज बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बिल पे चर्चा हो रही है. आप बिल पे ही केंद्रित रहे, हमारे मेंबर भी बिल पे ही केंद्रित रख करके बात रखेंगे. आपके लोग भी बिल पे ही बोले, ये मेरा आग्रह है.
एक
Sir, I think while Sandeep Patra is speaking on the banking legislation, he actually crossed all the limits. Indira Gandhi ji was assassinated. She is a martyr of this country. She fought against Pakistan and won the war. Entire Indian are treating Indira Gandhi as a mother. I think I am reminding the members, when Pakistan war was won, Atal Bihari Vajpayee told Indira ji was a Durga that point of time. Therefore, I think what word he used? What word he used, sir? Sir, he used the word. Indira Gandhi took the telephone and called the bank manager and asked the bank manager to be. Where he got there? Sir, he was witness there. Whether he was present there.
Okay.
Whether he was present there.
एक सेकंड प्लीज एक मिनट प्लीज वेणुगोपाल जी, अब प्लीज आपको, अरे सुनिए एक मिनट प्लीज. हाँ, मैं एक व्यवस्था दे रहा हूं. एक मिनट प्लीज. अगर आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन है तो स्वर्गीय इंदिरा गांधी जी का नाम उसमें से एक्सचेंज कर देंगे, लेकिन मेरी ये अपेक्षा है, जो संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी ने कहा कि चेयर पर कभी भी टिप्पणी नहीं करें. चेयर पे जो बैठा है वो हमारे लिए प्रतिष्ठा का सवाल है. हम अगर सदन की मर्यादा रखेंगे तो उचित रहेगा. बोलना चाहते हैं?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak, sir, in between.
एक विषय बोल रही है वह एक अने बिल के एक कमेंट्स आपने किया उस पर टिप्पणी करना चाहते हैं आप?
Sir, I will definitely say all this and more during my reply. I will say all this and more during my reply. But no, I have not finished yet. You may thank me afterwards. I have not finished yet, please. Sir,
बुला लो उनको।
बैठे हैं चेयर में, बुला लो।
हाँ ये सर आप तो बोलिए।
sir, I'd
मेरी
like to
व्यवस्था जमा
appeal
रहा
to
हूँ।
you, sir. Since the point derived from, 94 and then said confine yourselves to the bill, I'm here wanting to hear and then wanting to reply. And you've taken a very considered call, sir. I respect your view that you would remove the name of former Chief Prime Minister. Equally, I think quoting Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji in the context of he said she was Durga. We all respect Mrs. Indira Gandhi for her achievements. Of course, we equally remember her for emergency. But I think it is important. Vajpayee ji's name being quoted as though he said Mrs. Indira Gandhi is Durga is contentious. There's no proof. There are enough people who said he has not said that. Therefore, even that statement that Vajpayee ji said this should be equally removed. And you've taken a considered call, sir. Why? Mrs. Indira Gandhi is not respected? I said Mrs. Indira Gandhi is respected. Do you have an objection? I said Mrs. Indira Gandhi is respected. Do you have an objection on that? What is this, sir?
उसको देख
What
लें।
is this? Sir, equally. Therefore, I appeal to you, sir. You said that will be removed from Sambit Patra's statement. I appeal to you that under 94, if people have spoken beyond 94, and I take the Honorable Member Gogoi's name here, most of his speech was beyond 94. Would you consider please removing that also from the report? Member K.C. Venugopal is very, very clued into what I'm saying. And therefore he's saying, I'm challenging you. No, I'm appealing to you to remove Gogoi's complete statement, which was beyond this bill. And equally, the member who said, Chairman, hi, remove that as well, sir. That's my request to you.
Please.